Playa del Cura is a beach located near the center of Tropea. It is considered one of the best vacation spots, with all the city as infrastructure nearby, from bars, souvenir stores, ice cream parlors, and restaurants to historical and museum sites. The beach is located in the center of the city, within walking distance of attractions, the seaport and the bus station. The distance from the seaport to Del Cura Beach is 0.6 miles, and from the bus station to the beach is 0.5 miles. In the holiday season on the beach, all the time something happens, celebrations, entertainment shows, etc. Because of its location, Playa del Cura is the most popular beach in Tropea. In the high tourist season, the beach is crowded. Sometimes it is difficult to find a place to rest. The beaches of Nice, scattered on the French Côte d'Azur, attract a large number of tourists every year, and there is nothing surprising about that. Magnificent panoramas, quite comfortable climate, and warm waters of the Mediterranean Sea do not leave indifferent even the most experienced travelers. The Côte d'Azur is Nice. France's most famous resort has a total of 37 beaches that stretch from the airport to Old Nice along the Promenade des Anges and around the Bay des Anges, which means Bay of Angels. The main thing to know about Nice's beaches is that they are all covered in pebbles. In fact, there is only one long beach in the Bay of Angels, and it is a pebble beach. Sitting on sun-heated pebbles, holidaymakers enjoy the incomparable color of seawater off the coast of Nice. The azure color of the seawater in Nice attracts millions of vacationers to the south of France every year. Halkidiki, a major tourist center, is spread in the northeastern part of Greece. People come here mostly for a lazy beach vacation. It has a clean Aegean Sea, warm golden sand, and a developed tourist infrastructure. What is the appeal of the paradise on the peninsula of Halkidiki, Greece? First of all, warm, mild, curative climate, Halkidiki is a natural sanatorium for adults and children from April to November. Summers are long and dry, 250 sunny days a year. From March to June, everything is in bloom and full of fruit. From June to October is hot and dry. Tourist season is from May to October. Every year, 17 million tourists come to Cassandra for vacation. Cassandra is a great place to spend a vacation with your child. There are many green parks, well-equipped coast with playgrounds and attractions. The most popular sandy beaches of Halkidiki are located in this part of the peninsula. Tropea is a mouth-watering slice of the Italian coast in the region of Calabria. It is ranked among the top 10 beaches in Italy and rivals many resorts in Europe. Tropea is the perfect summer destination, beautiful beaches, a well-preserved old town and an amazing sunset. Sea vacations in Italy have become a good tradition for many. Experienced tourists know the more southern, the better the sea. The hotter, the tastier and cheaper the seafood. The less the crowd, the cozier and cleaner. And inexperienced tourists, in order not to make a mistake, we advise to try themselves as pioneers of Tropea. Tropea will always be a landmark with its beautiful beaches, which are stunning in their natural beauty and nestled amongst beautiful cliffs that frame the sea waves of intense turquoise color. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.